Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about how to prepare an easy worksheet for the little ones, which we usually need in our school to give to them for the reinforcement. So today to start with it, just start with a Microsoft Word. Work on this Microsoft Word. It is easier for you. Take a blank page and then you download the worksheets from the Google and select according to the concept you want to give, the subject, and then you have to do the editing, the formatting of it from the formatting tool. You have to crop it properly, and all the images should be text wrap, and the questions should be removed. You should write your own questions, and if you need extra boxes and tables, just go to the insert option and use it, and then you type the questions on your own instead of keeping the same question which is downloaded. It will give the original look to your worksheet. Remove the watermark. You have to just go to the formatting tool. There you will have the brightness option, and with the help of that you can remove the watermark. And remember that all the colorful worksheets should be toned black and white, because it will be very practical to give to the students in your class, because the number of the students is too many. So giving the colorful worksheets always is not a good option. So I hope you have all got the few tips, but very important tips, which we should keep in mind while preparing worksheet. If you want more such tips, or if you have any query, I request you to please comment and ask me. I'm here to give you all the information relevant to making the nice and bright worksheets. Thank you so much.